Yo, what's up? Welcome back. Today, well, I don't want to jump into it fast, but today we're going to be making some grouper sandwiches, some fried grouper sandwiches. We have our huge fillets here of 2 big grouper fillets, and we're going to get into them. So let's start cutting them. Alright, so let's fillet it up into nice chunks for sandwiches. Alright, I'll catch you when it's all filleted up. Alright, we got them all cut up here. Nice chunks. Now make sure you wash some lettuce. Got some washed lettuce here. And dry that off. And get the tomatoes. Let's set this aside for now. Get your tomatoes. I found some bigger tomatoes, so these are gonna be better. So let's just cut them up here like that. Just nice slices. I want them nice and big, so cut that there. These are a little bit bigger, but that's gonna be nice. Alright, so let's go dry our fish. Alright, so you wanna make sure your fish is nice and dried up. Not too wet. Just dry it. Just dry all these fish. Alright, now I got all my condiments ready. I got my lettuce, tomato, this. I'm gonna toast it later. I got my fish over there chopped up. Now we're gonna take some buttermilk. Alright. And we're gonna pour that right into one of these pans that we picked out. Just get that buttermilk. I just want pour the rest of that in there. Alright. Get all that out. All that buttermilk. Alright. Empty. Alright, now we want to take our panko and seasoned breadcrumbs. I have a little mix here. Pour that in to this last one. Alright. Get that, and then take this one here, mix that in. So you want to get a nice layer here. Oh, come on. Alright, so you want to get that, and then we want to go back with the breadcrumbs. And now let's just mix this up here. Just create like a nice little mixture. Take a little bit more of these. Alright, that's good. And now, let's come in with some eggs over around this pan. Alright. So get the eggs. Just take a little crack. Egg there. Throw this away. Get another egg. Okay. One more. Oh, that was not okay. Alright, so I'll catch you guys when I finish this. Alright, we're outside. We got the buttermilk. It's heavier than regular milk, but it gives that nice flavor and all that, and helps it stick better. And then we have our eggs, panko and regular seasoning. Now I'm gonna heat this up here. I know that looks dirty in there, but it's not. It's just very stained. So I'm gonna be putting some vegetable oil in this, heating it up till it's basically bubbling, and then I'm gonna toss the fish in there and start the fish. But before that, let's take a little adobo all-purpose seasoning. Not too hard, because that panko is gonna give it a nice, it's gonna already be enough for it. So let's just separate this out quickly. Make sure they all get evenly touched, but not too much seasoning because it's already gonna be pretty powerful with that. All right, so let's just give it a nice touch all across. Oh snap, that's taking it. All right, let's just throw it on there. All right, flip it over. Let's flip them over here. Get it nice and seasoned up. Gotta season your meat. Gotta make sure it's nice and flavorful, because if not, ain't gonna be good. All right, so let's season the rest up real quick. All right, that's it. That's perfect. We don't need to put too much in there. All right, so now I'm gonna heat this up, and I'll catch you guys when I heat it up. Before we continue with that, look what else we got cooking up over here. Some nice pork chops. All right, the oil is ready. It's nice and piping hot. So let's take. I've transferred some to this this egg. So let's just take it, put it in these breadcrumbs. Got to get them nice and juiced up, nice and crummy. Don't want to leave it hanging like that. Just take it. Make sure you drain that excess. Put that in there. Make that nice flavor. All right, take this last piece here. Put that in there. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna stick this fish in here, but gently. Nice and gently in there. All right, get our next piece here. Take it. Get that nice flavor. All right. Ooh. All right, our last piece. Make sure that's nice. All right. Take it. Take this. Push it right in there. Nice and see that oil is piping. Alright, so now I'm going to transfer more of this in here and this over here, and we're going to get it rolling. That nice. Alright. Catch you when this is finished. Alright, let's give her a flip. See how it is doing over here. Always want to make sure you don't overcook it, so you want to make sure you flip, you give it nice flick. Oh, having a little trouble here, hold on. I'm giving them nice flips. Oh, looks like some of it got off of there, but it's alright. See, like that's a nice piece there. Try not to break it too much. See, nice pieces. This one got a little messed up, but alright, we're gonna start transferring this over. Get some more panko in there. I clean that. Make sure you disinfect because you don't want the raw fish and then putting it on the cooked fish. So you want to make sure that's all good. So, alright. Catch you guys in a minute. Alright. Alright guys, let's check these fish out. See how they're doing. Got that nice baby crust. Alright, that looks about done. So we're going to take that out of the oil. Well, actually, hold on 1 second. Let's flip this guy. Okay. Flip this. Alright. Let's just wait a minute on it. Alright, it should be about done now. Let's take this off. Oh, it's broken in half. Alright, so let's just drain that. Make sure you drain it, so not all that oil's there. And make sure you put a paper towel so that all the oil gets nice and okay. Drain that oil, put it on that paper towel. All right, first batch is done. Now let me put these other batches in. Alright, next batch is in. Got our finished batch there. Let's let these cook up. Start transferring these over. Start transferring them. Make sure these are nice and juiced up, guys. Use that egg, use that oil, that milk. Alright, so let's get a little more panko in here. Alright, there we go. Alright, here we go. Transfer them over, get those nice and ready to go in. Don't be shy, guys, don't be shy. Gotta cover it all. Make sure it's crispy. Get it crispy, guys. Get it crispy. There we go. Finish it. Right there. Get that. Cover those little spots. Alright. And that should be perfect, guys. Perfect. Alright. Let's let these cook up. Alright. We're at the air fryer. And I got my buns. You guys, we need to toast these buns. We cannot have untoasted buns. These are smaller than I usually would use, but that's all we got. So let's make sure they get nice and toasted. Yeah. All right. Nice air fryer. Just put them on a little bit. Oh, a little bit higher. All right. There we go. Get those nice and toasted. Alright. Flip these guys. Okay, you're not quite ready. We'll flip them back over. Oh, these cut in half. Okay, we'll keep flipping them. Okay, we're finally done. Now we got our buns toasted up, nice and crispy. Let's take our ketchup, a little bit there. Let's get our knife. Okay, add some ketchup on there, like that. Then take some mayonnaise. Take some mayonnaise. Stick that mayonnaise on that like that. Alright. Nice and soft up. Once you got that, what you're gonna do is put a little tomato. Grab a nice size hockey puck of a fillet. Get a nice piece of lettuce right there. Hold on. Nice piece of lettuce. And boom, you got yourself a nice homemade grouper sandwich. Now for the taste test. For the taste test, official taste test, I'm gonna get the first bite here. Alright. Nice grouper sandwich. Alright, here we go. Wow. Alright, Ricky, here for the taste test as well. Sorry guys. Very good. Ricky for the taste test.
Okay. Too big for my mouth.
Come on. Alright. How's it, Ricky? Hot?
Uh-huh.
Alright, finish. Alright. How is it? How is it?
It's good, but really hot.
Alright. watching. You want more fishing? You want more of this? Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. And we're gonna see you later, baby.